Are you looking for the best Chinese 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max FDM multicolor 3D printer brings imagination to life, giving creators the freedom to explore every idea without limits. With a large build volume of 500 by 420 by 420 mm, it allows ambitious projects to take shape, turning concepts into full-scale creations. Each layer printed becomes a step closer to realizing dreams, filling every moment with excitement and satisfaction. Printing at a speed of 600 mm per second makes the process smooth and efficient, transforming hours of work into minutes of accomplishment. Every design gains precision and clarity, making intricate patterns and bold structures come alive with remarkable detail. Multicolor printing brings depth and vibrancy, turning simple projects into visually stunning masterpieces that capture attention and admiration. Smart application control allows users to manage prints easily from anywhere, making the experience seamless and empowering. It gives freedom to experiment and innovate, transforming three-dimensional printing into a joyful and rewarding journey. Each creation tells a story, reflecting personality, creativity, and dedication in every curve and layer. This printer invites both beginners and experienced creators to immerse themselves in the world of three-dimensional design, exploring endless possibilities and discovering new skills along the way. The satisfaction of watching digital designs transform into tangible objects evokes pride and inspiration, making every print an emotional connection to creativity. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max turns visions into reality, offering a unique opportunity to create, inspire, and feel the true joy of making. Number 2. SOVOL SV06 3D Printer. The SOVOL SV06 3D printer opens a new realm of creativity, offering a seamless way to transform ideas into physical reality. Every project becomes a personal achievement, with the all-metal hot end ensuring consistent performance and reliability. Creators feel the thrill of precision as designs emerge layer by layer, turning imagination into tangible results that inspire pride and excitement. The planetary dual-gear direct drive delivers smooth and accurate filament control, allowing intricate shapes and complex structures to come alive effortlessly. Users experience a sense of mastery as each print reflects attention to detail and dedication, making even the simplest object feel special and meaningful. The quiet operation provided by the 32-bit silent board creates a focused and enjoyable environment, letting creativity flow without distraction, and making every printing session a calming and satisfying experience. With 25-point auto-leveling, each print is balanced perfectly, giving confidence that every model will come out exactly as envisioned. This feature empowers both beginners and seasoned makers to explore ambitious designs, discovering new techniques and possibilities along the way. Every creation becomes a testament to skill and imagination, encouraging continued experimentation and growth. Using the SOVOL SV06 feels like holding the power to bring thoughts to life, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary achievements. Each project completed evokes a sense of accomplishment and pride, connecting the user to the joy of making. The printer turns ideas into reality, offering endless opportunities to explore, innovate, and express creativity in ways that are both fulfilling and inspiring. Number 3. Creality Ender-3 3D Printer. The Creality Ender-3 new generation 3D printer invites creators into a world where imagination transforms into reality with ease and precision. Each design begins as a simple idea and gradually becomes a tangible creation, allowing a sense of pride and excitement to grow with every layer completed. Users feel the joy of turning concepts into physical objects, watching creativity unfold in real time, which makes the entire printing experience both thrilling and satisfying. The upgraded CR Touch kit enhances confidence in every project, ensuring accuracy and balance from the very first layer. Even during interruptions, the Resume Power Failure feature allows prints to continue seamlessly, giving peace of mind and removing frustration. Each object produced reflects attention, effort, and care, making every print more than just a model, but a personal achievement. V-Slot technology offers smooth motion and reliable performance, creating an enjoyable and engaging printing experience that encourages experimentation. Users can explore bold designs and intricate details, knowing that each print will emerge clean, precise, and visually appealing. This fosters creativity while providing a sense of control and accomplishment, turning even ordinary projects into something extraordinary. Owning the Creality Ender-3 new generation feels like holding the ability to give life to ideas, where every creation is a reflection of personality and skill. The printer inspires continuous exploration, encouraging users to push the boundaries of three-dimensional printing. Each completed model becomes a source of pride and emotional satisfaction, making the journey of creation as rewarding as the finished object itself.